Welcome to this tutorial. In this chapter, we're going to talk about the event notification. So that's an endpoint to avoid you having to pull for all the payments. So basically, you register like a callback, and the bank each time has been some updates to your payment is going to send you a notification, and that will allow you to do. Again, you do a pulling. It could have sent you the result really, but no, actually you have to do then a get to actually see the actual result of the payment. So it's kind of just a notification to say, hey, you got a new message, go check to the bank, and then you go check to the bank for that payment, and you can see what has actually changed since last time. So way easier than the others. There's two steps really. So the first step is to register the callback that we're going to show you later, and then it's a kind of notification method, right? You start to be used to it now. So you do a client credential flow, but instead of creating a consent, you will directly register a callback, and this callback is where the bank is going to send a notification. Right, this is exactly what is happening there. So you register your callback and you got a callback ID. It's just you got a callback ID. It's just in case you want to edit it, delete it, that kind of things. Later on, when the payment is done, completed, then the bank, you're gonna see the bank is sending you the notification. That's the real trick there, and it's telling you just a consent ID. It's no much more, unfortunately. So that forces you to actually go to the bank and say, hey, what is the payment status? We've done that in a payment flow, if you remember. And then the bank is potentially going to say, hey, it's completed, hey, it's failed, or whatever. But basically, voice you're having to pull every minute. You just have to wait until you receive the notification. So let's see in practice how it works. Unfortunately, we're not going to show the event itself because it's not possible on Postman. We're only going to show you how to register a callback, right? Which is very easy. So you do a client session that you send during the client credential flow. Right, here you go. And then you can create callbacks. So in the header you send your token, limited token again, just to register callbacks, and you send your URI. So us is TPP, whatever, but you can send Google, you can send whatever that you own, right? And you've just been created. It is simple as that, and you got a callback URI ID. It's just in case you want to, you can see on the left, you can read it, you can amend it, you can delete it, etc. Once you got your callback, so you're waiting for notification on that endpoint, and what you will receive is a payload like this, which is telling you, right, this is this payment, blah blah blah, that you need to verify, right? It's quite verbose, but it's not telling you that it's been completed or not, just a reference of it. And then from there you just do a pull. Right, that was a very short recording. That was probably our last one from this tutorial. This endpoint is really handy. Unfortunately, it's not been implemented by a lot of banks, but you can try it with a sandbox from ForgeRock and get ready from when it will be more adopted by the banks. It's very handy, so I expect that it will be pushed by TPPs in the future. Don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do, and it will help the channel to continue, and you will be aware of any kind of new tutorials that comes along like CDO or any others. Thank you for watching.